Hello, this is CPE-233, Dr. Mealy, and here this is experiment 8D, in which this middle button is the interrupt button. Every time you press it, it theoretically goes up by 1 if the rightmost switch is on, and if it's off, it'll go decrement by 1. If it's at 0 and it's decrementing, it'll go to 25, and it's incrementing and we're at 25, it's going to overflow and go back to 0. Anyways, here we show it incrementing sometimes. It's just the button isn't responding properly. Yeah. We're going to go up to 25 eventually. Yeah, in maybe a couple years. And then you'll see here, if we press it, it'll go back to 0. And let's decrement it to show you. See, now it goes back to 25 because, and then you can see it decrementing, and yeah, and the digital multiplexer is working. No fading, no flickering, none of that stuff. So yeah, thank you very much.